Johnny, kom ons praat oor die naweekse wedstryde en ons gaan nou stilstaan by, kom ons sê die afgelope maand van rugby. Dit voel of ons al amper deur 'n seisoen is en ons nou 33 dae van die seisoen verby. So, Stellenberg klop vir Paul Roos Gimnasium die naweek. Parel Boys speel gelyk op teen Oakdale. Wynberg klop vir Rondebosch. Bietjie stilstaan op Wynberg op 'n stadium. Jeppy klop vir Kes. Westville klop vir Northwood. Maritzburg klop vir Glenwood. Maritzburg is besig om 'n paar goed reg te doen, Henry en sy manne. So, en dan natuurlik die grootte Affies kry 'n redelike rugby les by Parel Gim. So, kom ons staan net so bietjie stil by Stellenberg, na aanleiding van wat ons nou gelees het in die rapport en die opinies wat daar buite is oor professionaliteit en hoe professioneel skole rugby raak. Hierdie ouens werk vir 20 jaar aan daai program. Die hoofafrigter, Bat, hy's nou al vir 18 jaar by die eerste span betrokke. So, hierdie goed gebeur nie oornag nie, en my eerlike opinie, die ouens het hard gaan werk, goeie afrigters aangestel, waarvan 95% glad nie onderwysers is nie. Ek dink die 5% wat onderwysers is op hierdie stadium of by die eerste span betrokke in hun manier, of het nou 'n spanbestuurder is, of dalk een van die afrigters is, maar die res van die manne is spanbestuurders. Dis buite afrigters, hoogs professionele ouens wat in 'n plan ingekoop het, wat ander as hulle in plek gesit het. So, my punt is, as dit dan is, waartoe die finansies gaan, as dit dan is wat die plan is, en voortdurende plan is, en nie net van 'n Stellenberg nie, van al die skole wat graag hulle program wil sien, vorentoe gaan, dan is my hoed van my kop af hulle, want dit is presies wat rugby vandag so gelyk maak op skolevlak.
Yeah, look, I personally think nothing succeeds like success. You know, the Springbok rugby brand is to blame in a good way, because we're winning World Cups. You know, and the one thing leads to another, and Nelson Mandela said it, he says, you know, sport more than politics have the ability to unite a nation. There's a reason rugby in South Africa is so big. What's enriching for me to see, we had a top 5, top 6, maybe top 7 schools dominating schoolboy rugby in the past. You know, and here comes 2026, and looking at the scores, you know, it's so level. There's not a top school of the top 5 of last year that haven't lost a game. You know, and I don't think that's a bad thing, Thijs. I think it's healthy. You know, all of a sudden, and let's just look at the community drive. You know, Stellenberg might have had 1,000 people at a game prior years. I can promise you there's a game now at Stellenberg, Paul Roos, there's 10,000 people. You know, so that also contributes to a financial injection into the school. You know, that's what success is all about. You know, it's not about the win always, it's not about the scoreboard, it's about the competitive, because that activates a community and that unites a community. And I think that's what's busy happening in South African schoolboy rugby, is more and more schools are performing. And let's get back to coaching. Yes, there's a lot of outside coaches, but there's also a lot of teachers that's coaching that's upped their skill. You know,
absolutely,
they've upped their skill, and that's body, mind, and soul. You know, I always say it. You know, talent on the field is something, but you've got to look at the character of the kid. You've got to look at his DNA, his brain dominance, his hand dominance. There's a lot of factors. How he operates under stressful circumstances. So these guys have elevated themselves on a skill level to a next level.
100%. En die belangrikheid vir my van hierdie gelykheid, Johnny, is dat tereg het ons gevra, ons wil 'n gemeenskap bou, wat almal ingelig is, wat 'n bietjie meer, ek wil amper sê, opgevoed is in wat regtig in skole rugby aangaan, dat dit nie net 'n narratief is wat jy daar buite neersit nie, dis opreg iets wat jy weet, want ons het dit vir jou kom vertel, en by meeste gevalle, ons het nie vir jou kom vertel, nie die afrigters het jou vertel, of die skool het jou vertel. En as ek sien wat hierdie skole besig is om reg te kry, ons het baie tyd by Stellenberg spandeer, by Parel Boys High, ons het met die Rondebosch manne al 'n bietjie gepraat, ons het gepraat met die ouens by Westville, ons Maritzburg, dis fantasties om te sien, wat hulle vir ons laas jaar vertel het, want meeste van daai programme vir ons was afseisoenprogramme. wat hulle vir ons vertel het waartoe hulle op pad is, waarmee hulle besig is, hoe veranderinge plaasvind, hoeveel werk daar aangaan. Ek wil weer eens sê, ek haal my hoed af vir elke liewe afrigter, elke liewe spanbestuurder, elke liewe ouer wat 5 uur in die oggend in sy kar klim om sy seun by skool te gaan aflaai om in hierdie programme te kan deelneem, want dit word vir hulle gebied. En ek sê weer, sonder daai ouens absolute commitment, as ek die Engelse woord kan gebruik, bestaan hierdie goed nie. Dis ouens wat ook families het, ook tyds weg is van hulle mense, om jou seun, om die skool 'n beter platform te maak vir rugby. En ek het 'n ongelooflike respek vir elke liewe persoon wat betrokke is by elke liewe rugbyprogram, by elke liewe skool in Nederland, want dit maak 'n verskil.
The healthiest thing that's busy happening. In the past, we were opposition. So you were the opposition. Now you're my opponent. There's a major difference.
Absolutely.
Opposition is we dislike each other, we criticize each other, we as parents don't like each other, we don't talk to each other. Your opponent is somebody that you compete on the day. The scoreboard will reflect the outcome, but being an opponent means I've got respect for you. I have your back. We collectively driving the same narrative. We stand here in the name of children, and that's busy happening in schools, and that's wonderful to see.